Understanding brownout. A key phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video where we'll be diving into the meaning and usage of the phrase brownout in the English language. This phrase can be quite intriguing, especially for English language learners. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insights into specific cultural or technical contexts. So, let's explore what brownout really means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Brownout primarily refers to a reduction in or restriction on the availability of electrical power in a particular area. This is not a complete power outage but rather a lowering of voltage in the electrical power supply. Brownouts can happen intentionally, to conserve power during peak usage times, or unintentionally, due to a malfunction in the power system. The term brownout comes from the dimming effect it has on electrical lighting. When the voltage drops, lights often appear dimmer and have a brownish quality. Hence the term brownout. It's a term more commonly used in North America but understood in many other English-speaking regions. Now let's see how we can use brownout in everyday communication. 1. Informative. There will be a scheduled brownout in our neighborhood tomorrow from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. 2. Descriptive. During the summer, frequent brownouts occur due to the high demand for air conditioning. 3. Inquiry. Did you experience a brownout at your place last night? Understanding the context in which brownout is used can help in grasping its meaning more effectively. Interestingly, brownout can also be used metaphorically in contexts outside of electricity. For example, it can describe situations where there is a reduction or decrease in some form of activity or efficiency. For instance, one might say, after working for 12 hours straight, I experienced a mental brownout. I hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of the phrase brownout in English. Understanding such specific terms not only broadens your vocabulary but also helps you navigate conversations with greater ease. Remember, learning a language is an ongoing journey, and every new word or phrase you learn is a step forward. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to sharing more interesting English language insights with you. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.